Good morning, guys. Welcome to hashtag Cat Live Daily. Waiting for all my students to join in very fast, guys. Yes, good morning, Adarsh, Hanik, Aurora. How are you guys today? Yes, I am fine. I know it is a Sunday morning and everyone is very sleepy and tired, but we have to understand that the cat is round the corner, guys. Cat is around the corner, it is knocking on our doors, so we have to start preparing. So I'm here today with a very, very important lesson on reading comprehension practice. So I find that all my students are with me and ready to go. Yes, so good morning, Harnik, Piyush, Urja, Pranay, Prince, Vedant, Kushdeep Kaur. Hi guys, how are you doing this morning? Let me go into the formalities. Yes, my name is Harpreet Kaur Dodi. I've done my master's in English literature. I have 16 years of teaching experience, almost touching 17 years, guys. I have trained students for the exams like the CAT, MAT, ZAT, SNAP, PGCET, Banking, GRE, GMAT, SAT, ACT, and TOEFL. I also have a diploma in journalism, guys, and I like to create content and I'm a freelance writer. Today, I am an educator with Unacademy and I train on hashtag Cat Live daily every day in the morning at 9:30, guys. Yes, so agenda today is reading comprehension practice, guys. Practice of the real cat type of passages. So what I have done today, guys, I have brought you three passages and all the three passages are science passages. I think all students must go for a science passage because any passage which is based upon science and technology is something you guys relate with more easily. Secondly, there are not going to be too many interpretative type of questions. There is no abstraction, there is no gray area. So therefore, for you to arrive at an answer is easier when you're doing science passages. And therefore, today we are going to do three science passages, guys. And we are going to do some serious study. So I hope all of you are ready. So download the Telegram channel livedaily.me/chat and join me on this particular chat every day. Yes, guys. So the CAT subscription is the best in the industry. It is 1,458 guys for 12 months. Very reasonable. All those who are planning to take the CAT examination this year, next year, guys, please go ahead and take this particular subscription. It is just 1,458, 875 a month for 24 months and 3,500 for a month. Yes, so these are the best deals, guys. Please go for it. Yes, also what is important is use Core 10 in order to get a further 10% discount. Yes, guys. So आज बहुत serious study करना है RC section के साथ, and I want all my students to join in very quickly. We are going to do 3 passages, guys, and 17 questions today. Good morning, Pushkar. How are you? Okay, so let us go into a practice of the reading comprehension section today, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go to the first passage. So what you can do, you can take screenshots if it is necessary because passages are going to go into 3 slides. They are not long passages, but it's not possible to accommodate even a 700 word passage in one slide. Do you understand? So that is why take screenshots, guys, and I want all correct answers. I have to teach you how to arrive at an answer by finding the answer in the passage. How to use contemporary word in a day-to-day language. Pushkar, you can say my contemporaries. My contemporaries are all taking the CAT examination. Yes, Prince Oja. Yes. Yes, daily class available, Mohammad Saif. Yes, every day morning 9:30 को class होती है और ये CAT की class है. We are training for the CAT examination. Right, guys? Okay. Yes. You can also say in the contemporary times, everything has moved to virtual learning. Okay, Pushkar? Yes, in contemporary times, we have moved to virtual learning. Okay. Yes, guys. So I'm going to go into the passage, first passage coming up on your screen. Please don't get put off by the size of the passage. We have to learn to do long passages. I sat down and typed these passages for your benefit. So please make the effort of taking screenshots, guys. Yes, Prince, it will help you. Pranay, it does not work for interpretative type of questions. Yes, it does not work. It is okay to answer database questions, but does not work for uh, interpretative type of questions. Okay? Yes, I am just moving away. I hope you are able to read the passage. Yes, it is a science passage. It is giving you many details, guys. Don't get bogged down by the length of the passage. You can take screenshots because this passage is going to go into 3 slides. But finding answers will be very, very easy. Yes, I did take your name, Prince Ojha. Hello, Rishi. How are you? Yes, Rishi, it is the first passage. Guys, please do not disturb the seriousness of the class. Sarah Sri, I think you can expect at least 3 or 4 passages. Yes, I'm going to go to the next slide. Yes, this is the first passage. Hi, Achal. Thank you. Same to you, Achal. Happy Navratri to all my students. You have to attempt as many as you can, Harni Karora. You have to attempt as many as you can. Yes, guys, please take screenshots. Yes, guys, read and absorb, because when you try to answer the questions, try to answer without referring to the passage. I hope you're all taking screenshots because this is a long passage. Yes, Rishi, it's interesting, right? Okay, now this is going to be followed by 6 questions. I want all the answers to be correct. Okay? That is why I'm giving you time to read the passages properly, guys. All the slow readers and the fast readers should be able to read. Okay, coming up with the questions. Correct. Okay, first question coming up on your screens. Which of the following describes the relation of the first paragraph to the whole passage? Which of the following describes the relation of the first paragraph to the whole passage? Okay, so I'm going to go to the first slide. Look at this sentence. Yes, read the passage, guys, then mark the answer. Here they are asking you literally a question on the structure of the passage. They are asking you on the structure of the passage. So that is what you have to be able to answer. Right? Okay. What is the answer to this one? Yes, now give me the answer, guys. Which is the answer? Okay, Sujit, that is fine, but give me the answer. What is the first paragraph doing in relation to rest of the passage? This is a structure of the passage question. No, guys, it cannot be A. It is not a general observation. It is not a general observation that is challenged later. Can you say it is a general observation that is challenged later? Yes. So what is the paragraph doing? In the first paragraph, the author is putting forth a view that failure to address the metaphysical has led to central errors in the conventional economics. And the rest of the paragraph is trying to expand that view. It is talking more about that. So it is advancing an argument that is satisfactorily well supported. This is the one that he is trying to, this is the one that he is trying to take forward, right? Yes. Prince Oja, either you take serious cognizance of the class and stay in the class and please do not disturb the class, or you please leave. Okay? Yes, I don't want any kind of disciplinary element here. All my students are very well disciplined and they are here to study. So if you are here to study, you can stay or you can leave. Okay? Yes. Yes, guys. So answer is C. Are you okay with that? A is incorrect because the observation is not challenged. Is the observation being challenged? Yes. This raises the question that is answered is not the question or the view that is similarly dismissed. No, this particular view is on the other hand elaborated. It projects an opinion that is shown to be controversial is incorrect. Therefore, yes, why not B? It raises a question. It is not raising a question. You cannot say B because it is not raising a question. It is telling you that this is the argument. Yes, Shivam, but here we are talking about what is the relation of the first paragraph to the passage. We are not talking about the last paragraph. We are not talking about the summary of the passage. We are only talking about the relation of the first paragraph. So we only have to look at the first paragraph. You get it, Shivam? Yes, are you satisfied? Okay. So I'm going to go to the next question. Yes. Homo oceanomics can be understood from the passage as those. Yes, I can go back to the paragraph. Yes, C is relevant. Okay, read this part of the paragraph to answer the second question. Yes, those who have come late, guys, please take screenshots, fatafat. Yes, please recall or take screenshots. Okay, what is the answer to the second one? Yes, answer here, guys, is who behave according to the econometric price mechanism of conventional economics. It's not D. Not those who are concerned with everything but price cannot be the answer. That means except price. So the D cannot be answer. Yes, B is incorrect. Right? Yes, B is incorrect. So is D. D is also incorrect. So the comparison is between those who do and those who don't, not those who can't. So therefore the answer cannot be E. Who are bargain hunters is also incorrect, guys. Got it? Yes. Okay. Anshul, it is not those who are concerned with everything but price. Right? So if I go back to the paragraph, and where is he talking about this? They are behaving as Homeo should have stepped out of the line by bringing into equation value as opposed to price, quality as opposed to quantity, metaphysics. They are behaving not as predictable atoms but as free-willed human beings exercising through a spanner into the economic works. Right? Yes. Correct. So therefore, the answer is that they behave according to the econometric price mechanism of conventional economics. Correct. That is the answer. Going to the third question, guys. The passage suggests that quantitative pricing of economy in terms of gross national product is due to. What is the cause? Yes, first paragraph. Look at this sentence, guys. Right? Okay. Now come to the answer. What is the answer for 3? It is not C, guys. No, it is not the language, Dheeraj. It is all about understanding the science. You have to understand the science behind it. Correct, Prince Kumar giving me the correct answer. Rishi. Yes, so the answer is overpricing, overshadowing value in all transaction. Price overshadowing. So what is he trying to say here? That the lack of distinction between price and value. And the previous paragraph is also dealing with the same idea. Price eclipsing value is nothing but price overshadowing value. So that is why the answer is A. The answer here is A. It's not a distinction between price and value. Price overshadowing value. Correct? Yes, so that is why you have to mark the answer as A. Okay? Yes, I'm going to go to the fourth question. In this passage, the author is critical of what? Yes, Pranay, it is talking about overshadowing. Overshadowing means one taking over the other. Eclipsing. Pushkar, B cannot be the answer because they are referring to the consequences and not the reason. So B is talking about the consequences. B and E is talking about the consequences, right? We are talking about it is due to what? What is the reason? Answer the question which is being asked. Pranav, did you understand? Pushkar? Yes, Ajal, what is your question? Yeah, if he's asking you why is it happening, it is because of this. This is the outcome. Okay? Yes, I'm going to the fourth one, guys. Answer the question. Correct. This one is easy. Piyush is giving me the correct answer. Yes, answer, guys, is E. Piyush is giving me the correct answer. Conventional economics ignores the metaphysical. Right? All the passage is actually being directed. The passage is being directed towards this particular idea of conventional economics. And it is not directed at people. Yes, it is not directed at people or theories. He is being critical of economics, conventional economics, which ignores the metaphysical. It is not directed towards people. So that is why you can eliminate people, consumers, advocates, theories, right? Okay, answer is E. Yes. Metaphysics, Sakshi, is relating to a subject. It is the name of a subject, metaphysics. Sejal, we will start in the first week of November. CAT 2021 will start first week of November. You can also take these tests because these are also teaching you reading comprehension, right? So Sejal, you continue to practice here because we are teaching you reading comprehension. Yes, what is the fifth one, guys? Fifth one is quality, B. Yes, so if you are going to read, uh, what is he telling you here? He's telling you they have been stepping out of line, bringing into equation value as opposed to quality, quality opposed to quantity, metaphysics is opposed to physics, but exercising throw a spanner in the economic works. So what is he trying to tell you is it's quality which is important. Quality is important, and quality is supposed to be something which is abstract. So it does not relate to the physical aspect, and therefore the answer will be B. Correct. Yes, it is referring to quality. You were confused between B and D. Not physics, but quality. If you go back to the passage, Saksham, you will find the answer. Okay. Conventional economics, in the author's opinion, is very easy. Yes, last question of this passage, guys. Yes, Pranay, every correct answer is based on what the author says, not what you think. Yes. What does physics suggest in the paragraph? It is talking about. Yes, Sakshi, that is the correct one. He is not saying it is not a science. Okay, let me take you back to the last paragraph. Now look at the last paragraph and tell me. If economics is to have a useful or meaningful role, it needs to have a meta-economic soul. Now tell me what is the answer, guys. Look at the last sentence and give me the answer. Yes, I am taking you to the passage and making you mark the answer. It's not about art. Until it is not about art. Yes, this one is easy, guys. Come on, mark the answer. Jaldi bolo. Yes, Rishi Kumar. It cannot be arbitrary. Arbitrary means being indifferent. No, it can't be arbitrary because being indifferent. What he's trying to say is purposeless. He's telling you it is meaningless. Right? In the last sentence that I took you to, what is he trying to say? If economics is to have any useful or meaningful role, that means it is the inference is that it is purposeless. Yeah, so answer therefore is B, guys. Correct. Now you're giving me the correct answer. Yes, Isha. So they are both different subjects. Metaphysics and physics are two different subjects, right? Yes. So just understand, even if you don't understand parts of the paragraph, you should be able to go back to the passage and answer. Now, 6 questions we answered, guys. All these are data based. You can find the answer in the passage itself. It's not illogical is not the answer, right? He's not saying that it does not have logic. It's not saying it does not have logic. He's saying it is purposeless because he's saying it is meaningless, right? So that is why we cannot mark E, Aman Ali. Is that fine? Okay, I'm going to go to the next passage, guys. Again, you can take down screenshots. This also has 2 or 3 slides. So read it, and it is a science passage. We have to mark all the answers correctly. Okay? We have to mark all the answers correctly. Please take down screenshots if it is necessary. C cannot be the answer because C is talking about it is impractical. So if you mark logical, you can also say impractical. Impractical means cannot be put into practice. But the author is saying that does not have any meaning. So that is why we have to mark purposeless. Okay, got it, Pushkar? Yes, let us go to the next passage. Yes, next passage, guys. Yes, I'm going to go to the next passage. Next slide, is it fine? Yes, it is all the signs, guys. It is telling you, Anchal, that they are microscopic organisms that have carbonate shells. Foraminifera are microscopic organisms that have carbonate shells. So don't get worried by the use of jargon. If there are many big words that are being used, it doesn't matter. You just have to understand what is the paragraph trying to suggest. Doesn't matter, Aman Ali, but you can still arrive at good answers. Finished? So it's telling you what is making the ocean acidic. So what is he saying is what is making it acidic is what he's trying to say here. So whole paragraph is talking about carbonate shells, what the scientists have to say, what is the science behind it, and what is making the ocean acidic. So don't worry more than that. We will go to the next slide. Rationale means the reasoning, Pranay. It is the reasoning. Guys, even if the passage is heavy, and it is using many big words, don't get scared. All you need to do is look at the questions, see if you can answer the questions. You can still find the answer because these passages will have data-based questions. You just have to find the answer from the passage itself. So please don't leave. I'm seeing that many students are finding the passages too long and tending to leave. So please don't leave, guys. Stay and try to attempt the passages. We have only 3 passages to do today. Yes, I'm going to go to the next slide. Yes, can you answer the question without referring, guys? Correct, Piyush. Yes, your understanding is correct. Yes, you want me to go back to the passage? Yes, Anchal Sharma giving me the correct answer. Correct, Rishi Kumar. See, passage was heavy, but answers are correct. It was increase in the pH of the ocean surface. How fast you got the answer, right? Correct. Correct. This is the answer. So he is telling you that in the second paragraph, line 5 and 6. Yes, the water becomes acidic when the pH is less than 7 and the alkaline when the pH is more than 7. You see this one, guys? So even if you go back to the passage, you will get the answer. Yes, now coming to the next one. Which of the following indicates a possible reason why the study cannot directly relate the content of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and the formation of ice caps? Yes, correct, Anchal. Hi, Aditya, how are you? Yes, very good. I'm getting correct answers. Rishi Kumar, Pranay, Mr. RJ, Anchal, Shibu, Pushkar. Very good, guys. The role of the other greenhouse gases in the formation is not known. All database questions. Passage was tough. Answers are easy. Right? So this again, guys, is mentioned in the third paragraph. If you go to para 3, lines second and third, you will find it. If you are guys who are taking screenshots, answer is E. Very good, very good. I'm very happy. Yes, from the passage it can be inferred that during the present days, inference question. Yes, what will be the answer? Questions are easy even if the passage is difficult. So even if you see a passage which is difficult, guys, go for it because it is a science passage. Correct, Adarsh. Adarsh, Urja, Rishi. Yes, the carbonate levels are likely to be less. This is what he is telling you in the passage also, right? Yes, what is he telling you in the second paragraph? More the acidity, the less will be the growth of carbonate shells and vice versa. Elevated levels of carbon dioxide seen today have made the ocean acidic, right? So therefore the answer here will be C, guys. Correct. So Pranay, Sakshi, Pushkar, all giving me correct answers. I'm very happy, guys. You are confused, but the carbonate levels are likely to be high is the opposite. Is likely to be low in the present day. He's talking about the present day is what we need to understand, Anchal. Okay? Yes. Okay, going to the next question. The ice caps formed due to decrease in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere acted in a self-preserving way by. How did they act in a self-preserving way? Yes, guys, give me the answer. Yes, Aditya, I will do. I will do more of para completion questions, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday ko. Yes. Correct answers again. Very happy, guys. Rahul, Rishi, Adarsh, Shibu. Yes, so reflecting sunlight is what the author is trying to say. Correct. Very good. Okay, so I'm going to go to the 11th question, guys. The overall expanse has remained undiminished after formation because of, again, database question. Yes, guys, now that there are 47 students watching me, I have an announcement to make. One is please like my video right away. Secondly, guys, I have come up with an interview with one of my students who was a 100 percentiler last year, 2019. And this particular interview is going to come live at 12 o'clock. So please watch it and like the video too. Correct. C is the answer, guys. Melting at the margin being compensated by flow from interior. Again, a database question. Not this. Because of what? What is the reason? You have to find the reason. So, Urja, Shivam, Rishi, Mr. RJ, Pranay. Yes, guys, all of them giving me the correct answer. Yes, today Anshul Sharma at 12 o'clock. Okay, so please like my videos. I'm going to go to the last passage, guys. Last passage. Again, a science passage, guys. So please read this passage. This is not a long passage and we will finish very fast. Today, Rishi, today in the afternoon at 12 o'clock. Last passage, Rishi. Doesn't matter, you have to get used to studying for 1 hour at least. CAT में भी 1 घंटा तो लगेगा. Chasm means a kind of a huge break. Yes, chasm is a crack. Debris is what is left over, Rishi. Yes, debris from the impact. All that comes out is in the form of debris. Yes, all the small particles, like supposing there is a volcano, all that comes out of the volcano in the forms of pieces and particles. Yes, can I go to the next slide? Done. Okay, okay, read the second slide. Uh, Plate tectonic are the Earth's crust has different plates, right? So when those plates are moving, then they cause earthquakes to happen. Yes. Done, guys? Tectonic is a system where, you know, the Earth's surface will have kind of what is known as sheets. And these sheets, when they press against each other and they form a pressure, this causes the volcano to erupt. Yes, earth layer movements, Pushkar, correct. Yes, guys, so I'm going to go into the questions now. Yes, what is the passage primarily concerned with? So, what is the idea of the passage? Important question. Very often you can get this question. Catastrophic means anything which causes a lot of destruction. Yes, lot of destruction and complete change, Dheeraj. Yes, correct. All correct answers. Rishi, Rahul, Piyush, Sneha. Unraveling the mysteries of an unknown phenomenon. What is a phenomenon, guys? Phenomenon can relate to a fact or a situation that is observed to exist or happen. Yes, a fact which is observed to exist or to happen. Right. So he's telling you our planet first 500 million years, which includes all that happened in the planet and how it existed. So therefore the answer is C. It's not a study, it is not research activities, it's not research or controversial research. It is the happening of a phenomenon. Therefore the answer is C, guys. Okay. What, according to the passage, would amount to scientists hitting the geological jackpot? Why not E? E is not a controversial research. No, there is no controversy, right, Shivam? So it cannot be a controversial research. Yes, what is he talking about? The geological jackpot. Where is he using this phrase? He is using it in the last paragraph, guys. Now read the last paragraph where he is talking about geological jackpot. We may even hit the geological jackpot and find a piece of hidden earth that was blasted into space by an asteroid impact and which subsequently landed on the moon. Read the previous sentence also. Like Earth, neither of those worlds have remelted, so there is much greater chance of finding truly ancient rocks on their surface. Got it? Yes. So what is the answer, guys? 13th one will be D, correct. Yes, Achal giving me correct one. Shibu, correct. Answer is D. I took you to the passage last paragraph, guys. If you look at the last paragraphs which landed on the moon. Correct. So the answer will be D. Gauging the age of the ancient rocks is not what he is saying there. What is the jackpot that we are going to hit if we find the remains of the Hayden era which landed on Moon or the Mars? Correct? Okay. It can be inferred from the passage that the Hayden era, what is it referring to? Yes, again database question. Jaldi, give me the answer. 14th one, guys. 3 more questions and we are done. Sakshi, it is not D. "20 million years after a wayward object hit the earth." Where is he saying this? He's not saying D. You want me to go back to the passage? Yeah, but this is being said here, the wayward object, then 20 million years later. But how long did the Hayden era last? We are not talking about Hayden era here. Hayden era is coming only here. Right? So what will the answer be? Correct. Now the answer is correct. It spans a period of 500 million years. Answer will be right. Yeah, if you look at the first paragraph, last line. This one, guys. This has left a yawning chasm in our knowledge of the planet. First 500 million years, a period that became known as the Hayden era. Look at this last line of the first paragraph has the answer. You get it? Yeah? Okay, so if you had the passage, you could have seen it. Yes, so again, it is a database question. So answer is C. All of the following details with regard to zircons have been provided in the passage except this is, yeah, so we are deriving this inference from the passage. Yes, we are deriving it from the passage, Rishi. Last sentence. Yeah. Okay, 15th one. Correct. Pushkar giving me the correct answer. They formed a major part of the Hayden crust is not mentioned. Yes, all of them are mentioned. They are the oldest minerals. Their age can be gauged. They contain uranium and oxygen. They can withstand high pressures. But they formed a part of the Hayden crust is not mentioned. Yes, they can be gauged. Correct, Rahul. Where is it mentioned? The zircon. Zircons are mentioned only in the last part of the passage. They are not mentioned in the first paragraph at all. Rahul. Okay? Yes. Last two, guys. Which of the following is not supported by the information provided in the passage? Not supported. Yes. Shyam Sundar, we are doing RC. Yes, last two questions and I'm done, guys. Jaldi karo. No, guys, it is not E. Not supported. Correct. Rishi Vedant giving me the correct answer. Oceans existed before rocks were formed on the earth is not supported by the passage. Correct. B is the answer. And then we go to the last question, guys. The passage includes the name of all the following except. Yes, last one. The passage includes the names of all the following except. Yes, it is mentioning all of them except. Correct, Pushkar. No, he is talking about Jack Hills. So continent he is talking about is Australia. Mineral is zircon. Hill is he is talking about Jack Hills. So what is he not mentioning is the ocean. Right, guys? So that is the last answer, guys. Last passage. I think the passages were a little long today. So I was finding that students, yes, no mention of the ocean's name, right, guys? So I hope you learned a lot from today's Pushkar. 14 out of 17. Very good. Yes, guys, I hope you are doing well. Yes, it will be ocean. Okay, guys, so that is the end of today's class. The verbal ability section is taken care of me if 9:30 to 10:30 in the morning. It continues in the evening from 7 to 11 p.m. on hashtag CAT Live Daily. Download the Telegram app livedaily.me/chat and join the Unacademy chat, guys. Unacademy subscription, you will get live classes, interact with the educator, live polls, leader poll, test series, analysis, live doubt clearing sessions are all free. Rishi, you got 17 out of 17. I'm amazed. Yes, step 1, Unacademy learning app. Install the app, guys. Go for the plus courses. Yes, guys. So, also want to tell you that please join the plus courses with my code Core10, guys. Okay, so join the plus course, go for the CAT courses, get your subscription. CAT subscription is the best in the industry. It is just 1,458 for a year, 875 for 24 months. Yes, lot of effort goes into typing these passages, guys. I hope you will benefit from these passages. Please watch the video again in case you missed any of the passages. Use my coupon code CORE10 to get a 10% discount. Yes, we also train for NEET JEE 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, guys. So please make my code viral. Please use CORE10 for any of your cousins, nieces, brothers, sisters who are joining Unacademy, guys. And see that you use my code very, very effectively. Subscribe, like, share, hashtag CAT Live Daily. Download the PDF. Use my referral code CORE10 to get a 10% discount. And that is the end of today's class, guys. I will see you tomorrow morning at the same time. I'm also having special class in the evening, guys. Sham ko special class hai 5:30 again on reading comprehension. So that is the end of today's